I can't think of another training course or school that I've taken that was so in-depth and hands-on and actually got me to a confident feeling of going out and tackling this thing. My name is Rich Mayer. I'm the owner of Bossable Mobile RV Services, and we're located in Austin, Texas. So I heard about NRVTA from a certified technician that actually came out and serviced our camper. Our camper was under warranty. I wanted to make sure that somebody who knew what they were doing came out and did it. And so one of the graduates from NRVTA told me about the school, and I thought it was a wonderful idea. So I discussed with my wife about coming to NRVTA. And at first she laughed it off as just a silly idea that I might have. But when I really started looking at the opportunity with all the campers on the road, the reputation of NRVTA, and all the positive things I'd heard about it, I knew I had to go check it out for myself. So I came to NRVTA in March of this year. It was super hands-on, super informative. Todd, the instructor, really gave you the content in a way that was digestible and really helped set me up to understand what I'd be facing as a tech in the field. So now that I've graduated, I hit the ground running. I got out there. At first, I branded my company, got some business cards, and I started marketing myself on different platforms, our company and what we stood for and what we can offer our customers. Using marketing on multiple different platforms, Google, Facebook, has really helped shape our company and the growth that we've really experienced since coming to NRVTA. Not only have we exceeded the expectations that I thought wouldn't even be possible at first, but we're actually on a better and bigger trajectory to really grow this brand. Since then, I've already hired a technician. I wouldn't have been able to do that without marketing, but I look at marketing as investing back in yourself. I came to NRVTA, I spent the money, I spent the time, and so I found it critical that I really hit the ground running to really be able to make up some of that money, and marketing was the only way that I could do it. And I thought, all right, what are my avenues to actually get business or get my phone ringing? And I realized that if I dip my toe in marketing, which I did at first, and I thought, hey, I'm gonna spend $500. $500 over the ad spend for 1 month got my phone ringing 5 to 10 times a day with customers that needed help immediately. And from there, I realized that if I am able just to increase that by $100 a month or $200 a month, then we can drive more and more business. And so now at a point, we're doing about $1,500 a month, and we're drawing anywhere between $35,000 to $45,000 a month in gross revenue. But I can tell you that it is ultimately critical that if you're gonna invest the time and the money, which I absolutely recommend you do, to come to NRVTA, also think about what you're going to do while you're here when you're going back home so that you can hit the ground running and make this into a fantastic and very wildly successful career for yourself.